Hi, welcome to Adobe Illustrator Masterclass, Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced. In the chapter number 14, we will discuss about the advanced feature of width tool. Just open the Illustrator, just go to width tool. Here is the width tool. Width tool is we can create the width of some object. We will already discuss about this width tool, but in this video I will explain you again. And advanced tools, wrap tool, twirl tool, poker tool, block tool, scale up tool, crystallize tool, and a wrinkle tool. I will discuss in all the tool in this chapter. Okay. And start with width tool. Width tool is to create a one design like paintbrush, and to create a paintbrush we can't increase the width of this pen tool with the created width tool. Okay, so we can't use width tool over here. We can use by using convert this edge to simply basic line. First of all, if you have designed something with the help of pen tool, this is the pen tool. Just a minute. There is the brush tool. Okay, with the help of just a minute. With the help of pen tool, if you create something like that, we can't use over here width tool to increase the width. Before the convert this shape to basic outline. Okay, after convert this shape to basic outline, we can use the width tool. With the width tool, you can increase the width of this object like that. Something attractive. Here also, we can increase the width like that. Like that. We can increase the width. Like that. Attractive design with the help of width tool. Like that. Okay. Now, I will discuss over here some advanced feature like wrap tool. Okay, wrap the object like if you create some object like that, if you fill this object some another color like blue color. Okay, fill this object, and with the help of this wrap tool we can wrap the like that. With the help of wrap tool, we can wrap this edge of this object like that. Wrapping. Creative wrapping like that. Okay. If you have some designer like poster design, we can create like that. Okay. Another is a twirl tool. Twirl tool is very important tool to create a twirl like twirl. Create a twirl in the edge of your model like that. If you press this sometime, you can twirl like that. Like that. Twirls. Like that. Inside also possible. Like that. Twirl. I want to twirl this. First of all, select this object. I want to select and then go to twirl tool. Twirl. 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 Like that. Okay. Next one is a poker tool. Poker tool to create a poker in your object. Like this is the rectangle. I want to make this green. Poker. Go to poker tool. Like that. Poker. We can create a poker. Boundary will be poker. Like that. Inside, outside also possible. This is the inside. Outside also possible. Like that. Poker. Like that. And fourth one is block tool. Block tool. Just create another design, like I want to remove these two. Create some ellipse, change the color and go to blot tool, like that. Inside, outside also possible. I want to inside. Blot tool, blot tool, blot tool. Inside and outside also possible. Blot tool. Attractive design we can create using blot tool. Scale tool is the name of scale, just scaling. Scale tool, something is scaling, like that. Just make another rectangle, like that. Scale tool, like that. Scaling. Okay. Next one is crystallize. Create a crystal in the edge of your model or your design. Cluster. This type. You can create a cluster like that. Just select this object first by using the control also. Like that. Crystallize. If not selected, press the control to select and then use crystallize. Okay. Next one is a wrinkle tool. Is the name of wrinkle. You can create a wrinkle on the edge of your rectangle or your module, like that. If you create a yellow, go to wrinkle tool, create a wrinkle in edge of your model, like. But it's a possible only the horizontal. Okay. Vertically edged, we can't create a wrinkle. Okay. So these all are the width tool advanced feature. This is the advanced tool of width tool. Okay. With the help of width tool, we can increase the decrease the width of your module, like that, and given some advance, like that. And another wrap tool, we can wrap the edge. Twirl tool, we can create a twirls. Poker tool, we can create a poker. Blot tool, scale up tool, crystallize tool, wrinkle tool. Okay. So next video we will discuss about the some shape builder tools advanced feature like live pen bucket and live pen selection tool. Okay. Thank you for watching.